Let's take a minute and look at the weekly routine you should follow for MAT081. You should follow the same workflow each week. You begin by viewing the weekly module outline in Canvas to preview the assignments that are due for the week. Here's an example of a sample week. We begin with an overview, which gives us an idea of the assignments that are going to be due that week. That way we can budget our time accordingly throughout the week to make sure everything gets done on time. Next, we have the link for MAT-AS, and the units that are listed are the ones that are due for the week. After our MAT-AS assignment, we have to come back to Canvas, and in this particular week, we have to look at a content learning page about using the Canvas equation editor. Then we have to take a quiz on how to use the Canvas equation editor. We have another content learning page where we're going to learn about comparing fractions, and then we wrap up the week with the week 3 Canvas assignment. Now that you know what's going to be due that week, you're ready to begin working on your assignments. You want to begin with the MAT-AS media lesson. Watch all the videos and write down everything in your student workbook. You need to score 100% on the media lesson to open up the homework assignment. Here's where you will access the media lesson. In MAT-AS, click on the folder for the unit. In this case, we'll say we're working on Unit 1. And then you will see the link for the media lessons. Notice we don't see the link for the homework or the quiz yet because the homework won't become available until you score 100% on the media lessons. As you're watching the media lessons, you want to have the pages in your student workbook that correspond with the particular media lesson that you're watching. You want to write down everything that you see on the screen. This is like your classroom. Since we don't actually meet face-to-face, this is where most of your learning will occur. Notice how this student used highlighting and different colors to make important information stand out. Show all your work and circle your final answers. You can use these notes and they will be very helpful when you're doing the homework and taking the quiz. After the media lesson, you're ready to open the homework assignment in MAT-AS. Earn 100% on the homework so you can then access the quiz. You can reattempt a problem as many times as you want. You can click on Try a Similar Problem if you use up your first 3 attempts. Once you've scored 100% on the media lesson, the link for the homework will appear. Notice how the quiz for Unit 1 will become available once you score 100% on the homework. When you're working on the homework, you want to have blank paper available, either a spiral notebook or blank paper in your 3-ring binder. Notice how the unit is written at the top of the page, and each separate question number is clearly marked. We can see question 1, question 2, and question 3. All the work is shown. After the homework, you're ready to open the quiz in MAT-AS. You can use your notes from the media lessons and your written work from the homework to help you on the quiz problems. Notice how the Unit 1 quiz link is available now that we have scored 100% on the homework. You get 2 attempts on each problem on the quiz before you can generate a new problem. After you've completed the media lesson, homework, and quiz in MAT-AS, you return to Canvas to the modules to finish the rest of the assignments. Sometimes it'll be a discussion board, sometimes it'll be a written assignment. After you complete all the assignments for 1 week, the cycle continues as you move on to the next week.